All right, got there. First break of the day, 2020 Flashback 2 box. Match everybody up. Dice rolls a 6. First 2 boxes of a case, random team 5 and 6. Make up the case are also in the store. 6 times, 6 times. And your names 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Missed on this one, Heather, but we got more to come. Everybody see who they got? They alphabetize this. And we'll do these one pack at a time. Got the Bowman random coming up probably next. So we'll do a guess for a spot in that. Guess the last numbered card for a spot in the Bowman Jumbo random team. $20 value. Got 2 toppers. We are guessing the player. Trevor Bauer and Aquino. Topper number 1, Michael Brantley. Topper number 2, Javi Baez. Good luck. Started out with some base. The lighting kind of feels off today. Maybe a camera setting got messed with. Does it look okay? Too much glare. Ender Inciarte, what a guess. Our first numbered card, excuse me, is a rookie. Gold of Justin Dunn for the Mariners. John Young on the B-Day kill. 44 out of 50. Acuna base. Andrelton Simmons. Man, how good was he in the field? And Tatis, second year. Evan Longoria. Refractor, first refractor of the case is Strasburg. That's a pretty cool one. Axios on the Steven Strasburg. Refractor. These are unnumbered, but there's only 50 of each player on the refractors. So same print run as the gold. Mookie, Trent Grisham, Zach Gallen, Jesus Luzardo, Puck, Do You Love It Back? Is it mutual? USMC and the Stros get the Jordan. Rookie. Tanaka. Vladdy, second year. Pete Alonso, second year. DeGrom. Gavin Lux, Trout, Judge. It's like we got an auto. We have a gold auto. We'll save that for the end. Lubab, rookie. Box one of the case. Got a gold auto lurking. We'll show the other box and then swing back around for the auto. Ender Inciarta is Bang's guess. It'd be a crazy guess. Gold of Javi. Javi Baez. He's got a All-Star game and a regular card. Migs. Cubby fans love them. They're Javi Baez. Kershaw. Nico Horner. Got a refractor. Dylan Cease rookie. Kyle Lewis rookie. All-Star Game refractor of Javi. It's the Javi Baez box. Both parallels in box 2. The gold to 50 and the All-Star Game refractor also SP'd to 50. One of very few players in this product that has both variations of the card. Javi Baez, he's everywhere right now. Shield your eyes. He's probably coming again. I don't think he's got an auto, fortunately. There's Dustin there. Back from Tommy John. Morning, Karam. No black or better yet until now. On cue, we got a black refractor to 25. Trevor Story for the Rockies. Javi Baez and Trevor Story. J-Mote on the board. See if Trevor Story can stay healthy with Boston this year. Looks like he's never healthy, but he's healthy right now. Black to 25. Always beauty. Glaber. Some base. See a Bo rookie on the back here. Jeff Samardzija. Some crazy names just 4 or 5 years back. You forget about because you don't see them anymore once they retire. JD Martinez. He might be retired. I don't know. Maybe he'll sign late. So the last numbered card was Trevor Story, if you guessed that. Now we have the auto. Good luck. I believe it goes this way. Looks like a pitcher. Is that Cease? Wow, that's actually sick. Dylan Cease. Rookie auto for the White Sox and Jazzy. Dylan Cease, one of the best starting pitchers in the league. Beautiful. On-card gold to 15. That is an awesome hit right there. Congrats to the White Sox and Jazzy. Awesome, Cease. We'll beat the sort that one. Congrats to the hitters. And the flashy